Well, I think it's reflecting the attitude towards money-losing companies. Nothing specific about IPOs, but after a few years where high growth but unprofitable companies were getting very receptive opinions, including Casper with the venture capital investments in it. Late last year, the whole area got downsized in terms of valuations, and Casper is no exception.
You say it's about money-losing companies, but Tesla's been losing money for 16 years.
That's true, but Casper's in a much more competitive industry without a lot of upside potential in terms of the ability to earn high profit margins in a competitive industry.
You know, I'm also curious if people are using Tesla, Jay, as an example of the euphoria that might be in the market right now. Why not IPOs this time around? I mean, is it because lightning only strikes once and the dot-com era was just the dot-com era and investors are getting more discerning, especially after WeWork? What would it take for there to be a real IPO hype cycle again?
Well, we've got a couple of trends going on. One thing, and this is the 8th year in a row with a lot of biotech companies going public. Indeed, about 40% of all the IPOs in recent years have been biotech companies. But what's also very noticeable is the lack of buyout-backed companies going public. Last year, only 10 of them went public, the lowest level since 1989, with the exception of 2008. In spite of all the money that's gone into buyouts, most of them are selling out to other buyout firms rather than going public. Mm-hmm. And that looks like, as long as lots of money flows into private equity, that's going to be a damper for the IPO market.
Lots of companies like to call themselves tech companies, like this one or like WeWork. But in truth, this is a mattress company that would like to command a tech-like multiple. How do you react to that thought?
I'm in complete agreement that the company would like to call itself a tech company, but while they do sell online, they're also opening up bricks and mortar stores. Lots of people want to be able to lay on a mattress before buying it.
And does that make them any different from the existing mattress companies, which will also be happy to take that mattress to your house and set it up for you?
Exactly. That's the problem with competition.
Companies lost money, at least for the past 3 years, and they have this return guarantee that must be costing them a lot of money, too. We've got about 30 seconds, sir.
Yeah, and they've got a competitor, Purple Innovation, that's got some of the same problems. But Purple Innovation has about the same sales, but it's profitable. On average, it's able to sell mattresses at a higher price.